Okay, Lily Queen here. Hope you're doing well. This is a quick tip I'm going to give you about cutting. Many times people struggle with cutting straight. Okay, one way of cutting is, let's say you want to cut something straight, you just use your ruler, and most people, this is the method they use. You draw your straight line and then they cut along that straight line. That's one method. Also, as far as the scissors goes, make sure you have a very good scissors. And when you're cutting, open the mouth of the scissors to the widest. Okay, just open it wide. You find people cutting this way, like using the tip of the scissors like this. When you do this, you struggle with straightness, even if you're cutting on a straight line. But you want to open the mouth of the scissors so that when you go down, you go confidently down like that. And you go on, open the mouth and cut confidently, because the scissors is likely to, when it comes down, it's likely to come down in a straight format. Okay, another way to cut straight is to create a line inside the part that you're, or the path that you're trying to cut. You grab a yarn or a strand of thread in the fabric. This works pretty much for wovens because they are, the weave is just straight horizontals and verticals. Okay, so you can grab maybe 2 strands so that you can see the line that it creates in the path, and it gives you visibility. Then you will grab your scissors. Let's see if you can see that line. Okay, that's the line right there. And as much as possible, you want to keep your fabric on the table when you're cutting. Unfortunately, this cannot be seen on a white background. So let me see if I put this here. Hopefully you can see the line that I've created. Good. So you grabbed it, and it's, again, you open the mouth of the scissors very wide, but at least now you have a path that you're following, the path that you created, and it's always very straight because you pulled the straight strand out of the fabric, and it allows you to cut very straight. Okay, first open the mouth of the scissors really wide, keep the scissors on the table, and cut through the strand. That is one of many ways of cutting straight. Thanks for watching.